This is the most dangerous part of the mountain. That's why Professor Spark uses it as an obstacle course for testing out new robots. With all the treacherous paths and sharp turns, it's the perfect way to test out the latest in robot navigational technology.
Too bad, Spotly. I didn't hide a mission clue down there. I did put a few spare invention points inside that box. I programmed that stupid robot to put the box where you wouldn't be able to reach it. Then I scrambled up the commands. Not that you'll be able to put them back in the right order.
That wasn't nice. We don't call people stupid. That's not nice. We gotta be nice.
That robot has been specially designed to maneuver his way down there. He's really good at following directions, and he's got nerves of steel. So what you have to do is rearrange all the robot's commands on that remote control device in front of you, so they're in the correct order. The commands tell him which way to move. Just click on the command you want to move, then drag it to where you want it to go. When you press the run button at the bottom of the remote control, the robot will follow your directions to get to that box, if the order is correct. If not, well, better him than me.
Yep. Let's see, where's the box? Ah, there's the box. Okay. Yeah, we always got to be nice to each other. That's important. Let me see west. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we gotta do west. Let's see, south. Okay, if we go 2, let's see about jumping. See, if we go 2 here, then let's see, 2. Let's see, 2. Come on. Okay, we just click it. Okay, 2, 1, 2. Then we go across the. Why is it? Let's see about. No, we gotta go. Let's do that. Come on. Let's try that.
Now you can arrange the commands in a different order and run the program again.
So, okay, south. There we go. Okay, now I just have to go a little higher. South 2, west across the log. Let's see. We can't go 5 west because that doesn't work. South 3. South. No, that's not it. Let's see. We gotta work a little bit on this. Let me see here. See, south 2. Ah, here we go. South. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that doesn't work. Let's see if we jump. If we go down. Boy, this is interesting. Let me see. South 2. West. Not 5. South 3. So let's try this here. South 3. No, it's not south. Jump. South 3. South 3. There we go. And then we jump, and then we go west 5. We'll give that a shot. I think that's it. Across the log we go. Down 3. There we go. And then west 5. That should do it. Come on, let's get some points. I forgot that log crossing doesn't count as one. Yay!
Great work! The robot reached its destination, and we have our object. He's laughing now, Polly. Nice going. Let's take the invention points